Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data visualization and basics in our tutorial series. So today we'll be looking at how to adjust positions while creating plots in ggplot2. So let's install the package, and like last time, let's create a simple data frame. So our data frame looks something like this. So we have 4 columns here with trees, location, height, and standard deviation. So we'll be creating a sample bar plot like last time. So let's run this code first and then we will check the positioning. So this was the result we got last time. We plotted different kinds of trees for different location, and we have height in the y-axis. Last time we used something called position equal position dodge to avoid overlapping. So now let's try different variations of it and see how we can adjust the position. So maybe first we will remove it and see how our results will be. So this is the result you will get if you don't use any position. So this is similar to what we'll get when we use position equal stack. But let's say we use something like position equal fill. So now we are just filling it up. So everything has a maximum of 1 and we are just filling the values based on like what are the real heights here. So I don't know how useful it will be in this case, but let's try something else like dodge. So this is similar to what we did last time. So we are creating dodge plot. We are trying to avoid overlap. So I feel this is one of the most helpful. We can also use jitter. In this case I don't think it will be great. Yeah, it's just like spread out and showing how the individual data points. So in bar plots don't make that much sense, but I think if you use something like a scatter plot with a lot of data points, this is really helpful. I had shown you this in one of the previous videos. I'll be adding a link to that in the description section if you want to know how we use jitter for other kinds of plots. And stack is something that we get when we use the default. So it's like this. It's also kind of very helpful, I feel. So when we use something like position dodge equal width, so this actually shows you, like it actually tells you like how we want to arrange. So like how much. I don't think it ran. Yeah, I think there was some error. So let's see. This is what we get. So but when we change the width here, let's say 0.1, it's like very close and well knitted. So we use the width equal something like 0.1 or something very small when we use or when we create something like a line plot like we saw last time. But for bar plots it's better to keep it a bit higher so that it has enough space in between. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're looking into more data visualization or data analysis related videos. Till next time, ciao.